People, come closer. Tell me which parish this me inna. Right through. People, right now, me I go take you through some hills in this beautiful parish. I am so happy and I'm so excited. So, uno guess where me there yet? Uno guess where me there yet? Uno must guess now. Yeah, the bus stop here must tell you which part me there. So, people, if uno don't know, let me give you a clue. This parish was formed from a combination of 3 parishes, yeah? 3 parishes then combined to make this one parish, right? They combine St. Dorothy's, there, and the old parish of Clarendon, right through. So then combine all 3 and just call it Clarendon. So that's where I am today, in the beautiful parish of Clarendon. And me I go take on up through some hills and some valleys, so the people them what come from this parish and don't come back in a long time, you can get a few little glimpse of what a beautiful countryside looks like. But not lie, me I enjoy the scenery. I'm a scenery person. I'm just enjoy it, yeah? So, when people think about Clarendon, then think about the famous Milk River bath. Or for me think about the famous Vernon Field drag racing. But right about now, me I take it up at this little place here. You understand what me I try to say? Rock River. Yeah? For those of you who don't know about this place, me not lie. Yeah, the scenery them in a Rock River is so beautiful. Me I tell you, it's a real countryside living at its finest. A long time I don't see a donkey, Watch donkey people. Watch man a catch water. A long time I don't see them life here. I mean, I appreciate the simple things in life, because living in a foreign for so much years, 10 years I live in France for, and coming back to Jamaica, I appreciate the smaller things them in life. It's like you get a new perspective on life, that the simple things them make your heart feel warm. People, look at how beautiful Clarendon is. Me I tell you no, man. Me I tell you no, Jamaica nice, The only thing we need a little money, but Jamaica nice. Nah lie, me no shame for talk it. Enough of uno out there don't want to accept say foreign life is not for uno. Uno no want accept failure in life. Uno no want come back on uno yard because you're afraid of what people go say and what people go think. But you see me is a roots girl, a humble girl. And me no care what people are going to think or what people are going to say me I go do. And me feel like make me happy. I'm not lie. You see, foreign life did that drag me down too far, And once me touch Jamaica, my life and my mental health has improved significantly. People, look upon this. What we are run down foreign life for? Hey, Clarendon, uno big up on yourself. Uno big up on yourself in a Clarendon. Hey, look on primary school. Hey, this a party, way up a one part, up a one place, this, Who know this a primary school, yeah? Who on the internet right about now, go this a little primary school, yeah? Hey, but not lie, look how girl happy. Look how girl happy. All of my followers them from long time. When last you seen the official so happy? When last you seen the official look so stress-free and juicy and just live life to the fullest? Watch girl pan car top, van top. Hey! Me I tell you, man, come out of the foreign life, man, and come to Jamaica. Come live life. Come heal on your heart, heal on your soul. Right now, my heart is so filled with joy. My soul is so filled. I am blessed. No matter what the little small hiccups them when I have live in Jamaica and trying to adjust to the life, me I tell you no, it is worth it. The small hiccups them when I have, it is worth it. It worth it. It worth it. So right about now, Rock River Primary School, on big up on yourself. Yeah, education is a must. Big up on a primary school. Yeah. People, me I tell you now. Best decision I make in my life, I come out of France and come to Jamaica. Best decision that. Hey, this is so nostalgic. You ever drink water from them little pipe there and watch school goat? When you see goat a gas Why? But I one thing me I go say about Clarendon, uno no bother, you know beat me bad, but Clarendon, why uno river them dry up so? A drought uno experience? Yes, them go down a couple on the river them, I mean not lie, them dry up. What's going on? Tell me in the comment section because me get concerned when me see that. Me get concerned. But look at the beauty of this. And me I go tell you no bye right now. Yeah, me and the little pretty tadpole them in the little river, I go tell you no bye. Big up on yourself, big up Clarendon, big up all of the hills them and valleys all over Jamaica. Bless upon yourself. Life is a blessing. Come out of the stress of foreign life and come live life. Peace. I'm out. Bye.